Kita, ano ka pa? We're gonna cut that out. Bro, stop! Everyday na lang siya nagti-TikTok yun. May sinasabi ako. Yung nandito si Hans, hindi natin napuntahan to. Hindi naman tayo nag-release. Oh. Photo booth. This big. You were right. Told you, there's free upsize and Lucky. You want?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Really go?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean everything.
Guys, I'm paying for everything. Wala siyang pera.
I love you.
I don't.
I love you.
Oh my gosh, I love. Hey guys, we just finished watching Rated.
I rated an 8.
Same. Maganda naman. Sabi na ng friend niya mid daw. No, it's not.
I forgot to first.
I think you should rewatch it. Do you guys like my bangs? Kakakat ko lang ulit. I think I cut it way too short. Alam niyo naman guys, she does, slick backs. Yung hair niya guys, ang oily.
Meron pang ano yan.
Dapat ikaw yung inaasar ni mo eh. Oily yarn. Dump ko yun eh. Nagaw yung pic ko. Ikaw na naman yung unang magpo-post.
Wala akong picture.
Freak ass. Ano nga?
Thanks for the libre.
Pag nakikita ko to, may naaalala ko.
Yeah, Hansi was taken.
Nancy was taken. Shout out to you.
Rice with cheese. That's what I ordered before.
So we're eating at Pepper Lunch because she's such a fatty. Thanks. Okay, you can get out of my face.
The document is
This is like 80% ihit, 20% tao. Hey guys, we're back at it again with another vlog. We're gonna watch a movie. It's called Obsession. Kasi gusto ko talaga na itong panoorin. I've seen a lot of reviews na nakakatakot daw.
we bought drinks and
Yung Belgian. Oh my God, I forgot. Bumili kami ng Belgian waffle. Hindi, kasi akakita tayo, tapos wala pa yung food. Kika lang, nagulat. Grabe, nakakailan ka na ha.
I love you, Sissy.
Dapat, guys, I expect na gagawin niya rin to kapag may baon na siya. Okay?
I promise you.
Sine, tara?
Tara, sino tayo?
Hey guys, so we just finished watching and oh my gosh, ang scary niya. Hindi na ulit ako natakot talaga sa isang horror movie.
Creepy and maraming jump scares.
Yan, daming
sobrang
jump
lakas
scary
ng
sound effects.
Sound effects. Like, di na ako natatakot eh.
Mas ang ganda talaga yung panoorin sa cinema kaysa sa watch it at home. Ayun na, makakaupo tayo. Hi po, shout out po sa'yo. Shout out sa'yo. Uy, madaming joke. Guys, sana proud kayo sa aming tatlo kasi nakarating kami dito. Hashtag galing namin. Alam niyo ba, dati kaming dancer ni Jason. So, tumigil kami kasi nasasapawan namin yung iba. Wow!
Your favorite?
Ayan ang mga vlogs. Guys, parang naliligaw na kami. We are at H&M. Honestly, walang maganda. Cute. Tingin. Na. Uy, gusto ko to. Hindi ako sinama sa parang. Hindi ako sinama ni Jay.
Sinasama kita, ayaw mo.
Expected ko delivery niya ako sa Boracay. Kapal lang.
Lalabas na tayo.
Ay, oo nga. Papunta kaming KKB.
Yeah. Kaka-shopping ko lang sa KKB pa lang.
Uy, gusto ko to. Wait. Green grass is so bad. Ba't parang ang lalaki? Ang lalaki niya. Kaya bang parang... Oo nga, ang lalaki nga.
Di ba man?
Parang ano talaga. Saan niya mo yan? This is a soap. Ay! Spotted. Hala, ang cute! Hala, ang cute! Hala, ang cute!
Kita-kita tayo ako niya.
Sige. Hala, ang cute ng yellow.
Pastel lang pastel.
Hala, ang cute. Guys, I love Snoopy. Hi guys, so si Jania po yung ano po namin, navigator. Pag naligaw po. Guys, ang romantic. Ang romantic. Ayun na yung hinahanap namin guys. Best of luck. We're here. How it looks like. We are at ano po, Best of luck. Guys, dali kasi pwesto namin.
Hindi mas masarap naman sa pag-uwi. Pero
This is so cute. Saan na tayo after photo booth? Cafe. Gusto ko pa ako guys, pero let's go.
gusto ko guys, pero
Here po. Ito. Guys, look. So good.
come back. Tapos na nuggets. Try.
May show. Hey guys, so today we're going to CCF, going to an event, youth conference, basta for youth, called the St. Nivitas. Currently 6:45 and they're supposed to be there at 6:30. But it's okay because it's 7 by registration, so we're good. We're here. Yes. So this youth conference, ano siya, from 7 to 7. We'll be there for like the whole day. Oh my gosh! Ang saya! Kanina pa kami dito ng 7:50. Here we go! Oh my gosh!
So right now, for real, like not gonna lie, no cap, na para bang hindi gumising ng napakaaga. Yan. Tama ba, everybody?
Yeah, I know, right? Grabe ang kanilang aura, ang kanilang energy. Lit, on fire! Humong year, you're on fire for God!
Yes, sir.
And malls, nearby.
And malls, yeah, Tiendesitas, nearby.
Opos.
Yeah, or you can go home. Or if neighbors tayo, Cagayan de Oro, just tayo.
Ang malapit na.
Why not?
Kaya ng mga 20 minutes.
Now waiting.
Anyone from Mindanao? Hello, hello. Anyone
Alright,
from
that's okay, that's fine.
Guys, look at the cafeteria. Damn. It's so full. Waiting for our order. Nag-order na lang kami. Guys, may... Guys, there are food stalls. See? Sige nga, pumila ka dyan kung ayaw mo magpa-grab. So much people. Order. So far, it's been good. Masaya yung praise and worship, guys. May nakita akong classmate. Okay, we have to be back at 1:20. Okay. Yeah. It's not bad. May namay ba kami yung babe?
with you. Some of you here, you're going to start a business. Bring Jesus with you. Some of you are going to work outside the Philippines. As you go to other parts of the world, bring Jesus with you. Shy ka dyan? Shy ako, coach. No. You're not shy. You're not just praying for the right things.
At alam niyo, lumaki po ako sa squatter. At one thing that I've realized, makakasurvive tayo kahit wala tayong resources. Pero hindi tayo makakasurvive pag wala tayong identity. That's why the Lord reminded Jeremiah in Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 6, "Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you." Tingnan mo nga katabi mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, pinili ka ng Panginoon. Kung kilala tayo ng ating Panginoon, ibig sabihin lamang po nito, where we are is not an accident. Kung saan man tayo naroon, I believe nilagay tayo ng Lord dyan for a reason. So be secure where you are today and stop doubting yourself because God knows you. And then the Bible continues, "Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you." I love this part. I set you apart. Everybody say, set apart. Notice, hindi mo sinabi ng Bible, I set you aside. Ang sabi, I set you apart. Kasi yung set aside, ibig sabihin, itinabi. Pero yung set apart, ibig sabihin, ibinukod. Ibig sabihin, you are not ignored. You are being prepared by God for a special purpose and for a special reason. Ibig sabihin, that's why I want to remind all of you today, pray for someone that is connected to your calling. Pray for someone that will support your assignment. Alam ni Satan ang magnitude ng pagtawag ng Panginoon sa iyong buhay. Kaya minsan habang bata pa tayo, sisirain ni Satan ang ating mga testimony. Na alam ni Satan ang ating kahinaan, kaya sasabihin niya, bigyan ng babae yan, bigyan ng lalaki yan. But thanks be to God, hallelujah. Ang mga nandito sa daset, hindi natin ipagpapalit ang gusto ng Diyos sa gusto lang natin yun. And the last part is, alam ng Panginoon na hindi ka perfecto. God even knows that you're going to fail. He even knows your dark and dirty secrets. He knows your weakness. He knows your pain. He knows your insecurity, limitations, and doubt. And yet, He still chose you.
I want this. Twix, guys.
Good morning!
Good morning, Winjo, Mika.
Okay na kayo dyan?
Oh, ikaw. Ikaw.
Tayo gitna?
Si
Oo, gitna tayo.
White na mahapon.
I pet your dog.
Kulang pa? Isa pa. Dalawa pa.
Sino yan?
Pag-ibas.
bata.
Ano?
I mean, it's okay. Not bad, not bad.
Guys, sobrang init. Pati yung water. It's so hot. Like, ano yan? Jacuzzi. So, maghanap po tayong seashells by the seashore.
Stand on my
Hey guys.
Sinabi na po kami, hindi na po kami nakapag-swimming because we did a lot of TikToks. We took pictures. So, bukas na lang.
Time check, y'all.
6:20, 20:28. 8. Layo.
And... Uy, dati. Magbra ka naman dyan, oh. Here's the tindahan. Karaoke. Mommy, say hi. Ganito po kasi family mode. Hindi po pwedeng... Good morning.
Good morning, Mauban City. Ay, Cagbalete Island. Cagbalete.
Good morning, Cagbalete Island. Feeling. Going for a swim. Oh. Ganda guys. So nice. What is he doing? Guys, look at this.
Alin ang wag tatapakan?
Which one? Which one? This one? Why? Why? Why are you screaming?
Ano talaga sagad eh. Sagad na, diba? Minsan lang kasi naman. Bibig pa